Hi viewers. So today I'm going to explain how the sniper strategy has performed for last 6 days, and I'm also very confident that this strategy will not fail. The logic also I'll explain. You see, I'll take 13th date because we have started live test from 13th onwards. You see here it is 15,200. Okay, and I'll also show you the chart on 13th. You see here almost from 9:20 onwards. Why? Because first 5 minutes there will be huge option settlement pricing and all those will happen. After 9:20 only we take. Okay, now if you see here, so from 9:21, so one side movement has given 273 points in Bank Nifty, and we do not know whether we will get upside or downside. Usually it is very difficult to predict the direction of the market, but following the direction of the market is very easy, and that is also only possible through algorithmic trading, where algorithm will monitor the price, and based on that it will change the direction of the call option and put option, whichever it is possible. And of course there would be some stop losses. Why? Because sometimes very range bound up down movement during that time, so when it changes the direction we may incur a drawdown. But confidently I say that even though we see some drawdown, I can say that per lot nearly 2,500, like that we can see drawdowns. Okay, so here I have applied two strategies, and capital used for that would be maximum 1,70,000, because I have given 500 quantity in 200 premium, and 10 lots 250 quantity in 300 premium. So entirely this is and required. In order to manage the drawdowns also we need 2,50,000. so from that what happened, let's see. So first day on 13th we have 15,000 profit, and so it has moment is upside, and that is the reason why we got call option. And what time? By 9:23, you see here 9:23 we got call option, exited in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but later I changed to only Bank Nifty. See, 9:23 we can see Bank Nifty. If you see, within 2 minutes, 3 minutes time the target achieved. Okay, next I'll show you for the date, because 3 days holidays. On 17th Monday what has happened, let us see and get trades. So we have 9,500 Nifty, I gave 3,000 target, and Bank Nifty I gave 6,000 target. And here also most probably 950. In Nifty we got late, but in Bank Nifty we got by 9:22. Within 2 minutes we achieved our target here in Bank Nifty. So that is the reason I later shifted all my entries only into Bank Nifty only and removed Nifty. Okay, and let us see the chart also, and in which we got call option again. On 17th also we got call option, we have got target. Now let us see 17th date chart. Okay, so this is the 17th date chart, and so from here it is starting from 9:20 onwards. If you see almost 166 points upside it has given. Okay, and downside also it has given huge, but here only we got our target. Once we get our target, our algo will stop working. It will not take any more trades. And downside, if you see, you also got 300 points downside. Okay, this is the performance on 17th. And let us see, go to the next date, that is 18th. Let me change 18th and get trades. We got 12,000. Now I gave Bank Nifty only 6,000 in two strategies. And so on this day, final target achieved at around 1347, means 147. Why we have taken that much time? In one strategy we got early only. Now let us see why we have to wait 147 up to that time. What happened? Let us see in the chart. This is 18th chart. Okay, and so I need to minimize this. Why? Because okay, now let us take from 920 this point. It has gone upside also around 140 points, you see, but we are unable to make profit due to maybe decay in the premiums. And downside, if you see, so 147 we got, no? Yes, you see, now the time is here. Okay, 1347, you can see here we got 220 points, means because there is range bound movement here, SLs hitting too much time moving there only, that's why we got loss. I mean drawdown has gone there, but we could not. Another 20-30 points, if here improvement is there, we should have got our target in call side only, but we did not get. And put side we got 220 points movement downside. So what I say is either up or down, at least 200 points there is movement. If there is quick movement, immediately we get our target. Suppose there is a delay because there is no movement in the market, at least by second session we will be getting our targets. So this is how on 18th it has happened. Now let us go to 19th. So 19th also we got 12,000, our target hit. And what time? By what time? 9:27, 9:30. So 9:59 is the last, that is put side, put option. By 9:59 we got. Okay, let us see what has happened here on that day. So this is 19th, and from 9:20 if you see this point, yes, see by 10 o'clock it has made 146 points low. So that is the reason we got here. And comparatively Wednesday, Thursday we get sometimes slow moments, no? That time we will be hitting more stop losses, that means which will go into drawdown, but surely we get the target 150 points. But if you see, so this is the time we got our target and get out, right? And 20th I will show, that is yesterday. Get trades yesterday 13,925. So the time we got executed is, you see, within few seconds only. 9:20, 2 seconds entry, 21 seconds, okay, which is 19 seconds in strategy, and 12 seconds in second strategy. Within few seconds only we hit our target. Now let us see what has happened on 28th. You see very quick movement we got. From here immediately it has moved in one direction and it has given 114 points. Within that time only our target has been achieved. One side movement, no? So from here, okay, we got it. Means immediately after entry there is quick movement for 100 points up or down, we'll get targets easily. If there is no movement, we'll have to wait. Now today is 21st and let us see this. Today's profit is 13,000 and let us see. First one target we achieved by 9:58, you can see here. One time SL it and one time we got the target 9:58. Okay, and second strategy we got it by again same 9:58, same time. Okay, now let us see the chart for today. Yes, today also there is one direction. Once it went up here, okay, and came down. Yes, by this time only we got 100 point movement, we got downside, we got the target. You see, so what I say is, see here today even more downfall is there. We don't need all this. So 5% per day on investments and some amount for buffer drawdown maintenance, that will be giving targets. So for one lot I will be giving 600 rupees as target. We can expect 100 rupees for taxes because we are doing it for Finway Asia broker. And if you are trading with more lots like 5 to 10 lots, we can go do it any broker like Zerodha, Fires, Angel One. We can prefer them because there even if you execute one lot you will have 40 rupees buy and sell, and if 10 lots also it will be 40 rupees buy and sell, so that can be preferred. So this is how it has performed, and let us see totally how much it has made. Okay, so past trades if you take from 13th onwards, to 28th, you get 63,000. Okay, and plus today it is 13,000. So totally 6 trading days we got 76,000, no loss in one day also. And we'll continue this, and soon I'll try to connect the broker account so that we'll see how the performance comes. Okay, and this is for today, and again after 1 week I'll present the next week results. Meanwhile I'll be trying to connect Shonia broker app so that Invasia, so that we'll see in the real trades also. Okay, thank you.